So wonderful. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our Forex morning call. It's Wednesday, August the 10th, and I'm really happy to have you here. It's me, Marcus from DowHow Trading, completely independent from any broker. We can be focused on our own trading and our own trading style. I'm a trend follower, and my entry strategy is the Dow approach. 150 years old, this approach, millions of times proved that it's really and very successful. And in this modern age of trading, 21st century, I want to show you that this very, very old strategy is still valid and still very successful because it's based on the nature of trading. And what's the nature of trading? Buying cheap and selling expensive. Or in modern age of trading, you can say sell expensive and buy back cheap. This is the approach of every trader. Whatever you will trade, used car trader, grocery, milk, vegetables, whatever you do, whatever you try to trade, as a trader, you make money with the price. And over the price, you only can make money with buying cheap and selling expensive. With these words, welcome to our Forex morning call. Good morning, Doreen. Good morning, Aurel. Cayetano, greetings to Portugal. Lovely good morning. Alexandru, good morning. And here on Traders Yacht also, Dietmar, good morning. Chris, Johan, good morning also. Okay, so let's see. And before we start, we want to have a look at the risk and general risk warning. Trading with stocks and financial assets can expose your capital to substantial risks, possibly even beyond the capital you have invested. Trading is not suitable for everyone. Investment successes as well as profits from the past do not guarantee success in the future. The moment you understand how trading really works, brings you to the idea that the law of probability shows you a kind of guarantee for your success in the future. But this is about the government we have to show you when you make official webinars. What do we expect today on numbers? Actually, couple of minutes ago, we have the harmonized index of consumer price year-over-year, July, 8.5, previous consensus 8.5, actual 8.5, nothing changed. 2:30 this afternoon, German time, by the way, the same consumer price index exclude food and energy for the month in July in comparison to the previous month. And of course, year by year in comparison with July from last year. So there are the numbers. Let's see what's coming out. If this interesting for a trend follower? No, it's not, because it's just numbers. And it depends how the market will react on it. Can we know this? No, because everybody has its own interpretation of those neutral numbers. Interpretation is not mathematics. And in a zero-sum game like trading, you have to work with mathematics and with a mathematic edge. And interpretations or analysis is not or are not mathematic. Maybe you should think about it. Petya, happy Wednesday. Nice to have you. So Petya, can you tell me how is the course going on? I saw you have to grab the course. I guess you're through. So how it's working? Can you tell me what's your insights after making the course? Okay, so yeah, let's come to our charts. And first of all, we see in DAX 15 minutes where we are. Actually, point of control has not changed yet, still up at 13,644. And you see, we're coming deeper to the green lower zone, which means price is going to be deeper and deeper and cheaper, which is really interesting, guys, because as you can see, for example, so we were expensive, then we came back to normal price, circling around, and now we're going to be cheap. Yeah, this is the behavior of every price: seasonal, normal, seasonal price. Yeah? So out of the season, very expensive, normal price, fair valued, cheap, so special offer, actually. So what's about the trend? Trend actually is facing downwards. And as I told you, it has the probability to go short yesterday, or you had the probability or the opportunity to sell this morning anywhere here before the 0.2. For example, this morning, maybe here. Yeah, this morning you can speculate on a trend continuation here, which is really interesting. So now we are waiting for a real trend confirmation or for a real trend continuation, and then we can draw the trend or the next trend arm. Okay, so far to DAX 15 minutes. Charles, welcome back. Good morning. Nice to see you here. Yanis, good morning also here on YouTube. So Petya says about making the chorus, it's a great start and a stable base. Thank you very much. I'm really happy. So, and you know, the best idea what you can do, come to the traders here, come to the DowHow family. Then I will teach you much more based on your course. So let's come to higher time frames. It's 4-hourly chart. And here we go. So you see there, I tried to make another long. It was here in, let me see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 in the 4th trend arm. Really cool. I made 2 times profit. So you see, first one, second one, that was a lovely profit. Then the next one also, entry here, exit there, another lovely profit. And here was another entry for the 4th trend arm that was a loss. So you see, but it was a technical loss. So therefore it's a gain, it's a part of the real game of probabilities. So now at the same time, there was a new trend to the short side. Actually, it's just the correction. So I opened the trade here. Yeah, stop loss is in profit, which means I cannot lose money anymore. Yeah, so now we are waiting for the next correction, and then let's see. Okay, so you see that's really stable trading. In Dow Jones, I'm still in because the trend is still valid. So, and the trend is still this one, move, correction, move, correction, and here we go, next one, and here we are still in 1, 2, trend arm number 3. Yeah, so therefore I made an entry here again on the way up. Okay, actually I have to admit the price is not working for me, so I trailed the stop loss because I could see there is a trend candle. I trailed the stop to cut the possible loss. But if I get out, then I have to stay on the sideline and just watching around, looking around, waiting for the re-entry. Bitcoin, yeah, still out because here was the entry. There was my entry. And I trailed the stop loss into profit after I could see, okay, it's not working here. So that was not a loss, and that was really cool. Okay. So where we are right now, we are in 1, 2, still in the 3rd trend arm. Yeah. So therefore, just waiting for a rebound. If we can see a trend continuation, a stabilization of the price here in Bitcoin, then we can make a re-entry to to still speculating of a trend continuation long. Is there a short actually? Yeah, no. Let's see. Is there a short? Do we have a break? Yes, we have a break of this previous downtrend. And that means there was the break. Yeah, let's see. No, there was the break. So here we go. Therefore, 1 and 2. So we have a valid short also. So we should be prepared in case that the trend will continue to the short side. There must be a stop sell order on the way down. Yeah. So because there was no trend continuation, that means for us, okay, I have to set a pending order on the short side, sell here. If the price turns around, then pending order, stop buy, choose speculating for a trend continuation for the long side. Gold. Gold, I'm still in. It's here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, trend on number 4. There was no trend continuation yet. So in trend on number 4 is the last chance to go in. So I trailed the stop just into the profit. And now let's see if the price is coming down and get me out, then I will make a re-entry. Otherwise, maybe the price turns and the trend will continue. Let's see. Euro dollar, still a bit in profit. Re-entry here, stop loss below the last 0.3. Actually, there is nothing to do. And pound dollar, by the way, the long is still valid. So in long, how many trend arms do we have right now? It's number 1, it's number 2, it's number 3, and it's number 4. So, and there is no break of the trend, which means if the price turns around, we can make an entry here in trend arm number 4 too. So, and at the same time, there is 1 and 2 on the short side. So, which means there is my stop sell order. But if the price turns around, yeah, we have to set a pending order on the way up. So maybe kind of catastrophic order in case the price will go up. Sorry. Less. So kind of catastrophic order in case that the price jumping up, then I have to be a part of it. Well, that was my 6 trades I'm able to trade in 4-hourly chart about my own time management. For more, I'm not able to do because, you know, for me, law of math and law of probability is the most important thing for me. So guys, if you have any wishes or questions, feel free. It's a free webinar. We can talk about everything and feel free. Let's come to my running trades. We have Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. It's a running trend. Stop loss below the last 0.3. Downtrend is still valid, but there is a brand new up trade. And here we go. We had an entry 2 days ago. And yeah, let's see what happens next. Australian Swiss, finally, price came back into the profit a bit. Let's see. Nothing to do. It's maybe you say, okay, daily chart is really boring. Yeah, it is. I can repeat the words of my mentor. He said, Marcus, when trading becomes boring, then it becomes successful. Boring is really the big discipline in trading. Yeah, but if you realize that you miss too many trades or re-entries or chances in your preferred time frame, then you should realize it's the wrong time frame for you. There is not a wrong or right time frame at all because, you know, trading does not know any time frame because time does not exist. Not only in trading, basically at all, time does not exist. Albert Einstein proved it when he figured out time and space is relative. And everything what is relative is not set in stone. Yeah, that's the point. So therefore, it's a question of perception, and perception is not ultimate. So therefore, if you miss too many signals, then it's not your preferred, then it's not your time frame, because you cannot afford to miss signals. Otherwise, the law of the law of coincidence is working, and you're fighting against the law of math. And believe me, who will win in this fight, you or math? I think you know the answer. Okay. Now, there are two questions here. I will show you. That's really cool. So, Aussie JPY and New Zealand JPY. Let's see. Aussie JPY. Yeah, there is an uptrend. So we have one. Okay, that's a little bit big. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Second trend arm correction is valid, waiting for the next balance candle and then go up. And New Zealand dollar JPY. It's here. Yeah, that's the same procedure. Yeah, same one. Starting here. No, it's not a valid trend now. In New Zealand JPY in 4-hour chart, it's not a valid trend. Okay. Okay, so next, come to my next one. It's, yeah, we talked about Canadian Swiss coming slowly into the profit. That's really cool. So just wait what happens next. Euro Australian dollar. We have a valid downtrend. It's 1, 2, 3, trend on number 4. It's a little bit too late. On the right side, we have this lovely uptrend. Here we are in 1, 2 in the third trend arm. So therefore, I open a position here to speculate on this. So where is the point of control? We can figure it out. And let's see. Okay, here is the point of control. So we are on the way up to the point of control. Actually, at least the point of low should be reached. So, and if we reach the point of low, for example, here, 151.91, then we are in profit and everything is fine. So that's the first target, the point of low. And of course, another target could be the point of control at 157.81. So that means, guys, we have, I would say, a lot of space to go up. Here we go. That's 448 points, pips, and here 1,051 pips if we go up to the point of control. And let's see how many trend arms we will get as the next one. Okay, so cool. Euro JPY, yeah, we are a little bit in profit. Be careful. Still in a long, but also a short position, a short trend available. Yeah, if we see a balanced candle, yeah, then maybe we should make the long safe and we should set a pending order on down. Pound Kiwi. So we have actually 1, 2, 3. We are in a short position, short trend in the third trend arm. No, it's not. Sorry. The short is broken. Short is broken. My fault. Sorry. Short is broken. So therefore, I trailed my stop loss for the short position. That was my mistake into the profit. So I cannot lose money. And we have a long position also. It's 1, 2 in the third trend arm here right now. So there was the opening of this long position. It's not working. I trailed the stop. And for the short position, because it was my mistake, I oversee something. And therefore, I trailed the stop loss in profit, so I cannot lose money anymore. And finally, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, trend arm number 4. So we try to open it again. And actually, we are a little bit in profit. So let's see if this trend is able to continue. Actually, on the right side, we don't have a downtrend, just only this one trend, and this is facing upwards. So now you can start with analyzing dollar, analyzing Canadian dollar. As a trend follower, I don't care. Why? Yeah, because everything is seen in the chart. Because every trader who is involved in this currency pair, your dollar, Canadian dollar, has to send volume and price to the order book. And then you see it in the chart. So why you should interpret something? There is no higher probability if you interpret something, because interpretation is your own perception. Yeah. Simeon, greetings to Nigeria, right? So, Simeon, tell me, you made the course also. My first African student, Simeon, I'm really, really happy. My first African student, a lovely person. So let me know, how is your course going? I think I could see in the progress, you made some parts. So let me see, what's your first intention? What's the first opinion about the course? In English, because you should know my online logic course is available in German and in English too. And actually, I prepared 2 new updates, and my team will bring it online in the next 1-2 weeks. And this or next week, I create the same in English updates, 2 more updates. And I guess in the next weeks, they will come online too. Okay, so what's on my watch list? On my watch list is yeah, I would say 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's a little bit old, and I can see there is a kind of stabilization here in this area. So it makes no sense to go short, and there is no long trend for the moment. Yeah, so I guess British pound, Australian dollar for the moment we can delete. So in pound JPY, we are waiting for an entry because long is in the second trend arm. S&P 500, finally, we got a valid correction right now. So this valid correction brings us to the opportunity to open a trend, to open a position in the next days. Keep an eye on it. Euro Kiwi, second trend arm, no short for the moment. Second trend arm, waiting for an entry in case this trend will continue. Yeah, and that's all for the moment. Guys, I hope you have the same trends like me, or you have the same trades like me. I know it could be a little bit we don't have so much action, but trading does not mean having action. Trading means stick to the rules and follow your plan. And please, I want to say this again. There is no time frame you can make money in a quick way. Over 90% of failed traders prove that it's not possible. There is a time frame you can find your signals and don't miss any signal or re-entries. That's the most important part. So if you think you can trade in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, yet try it. I can give you the result before you start. You will fail. You will. This is a promise. You will. Because lower time frames does not mean that you can make money quick and a lot of money. It's not possible. Yeah, so find a time frame where you can find your signals. Whatever kind of rules do you have? By the way, you should have rules. Otherwise, there is no profit on a long run. Short run, yes, it's coincidence, but not on a long run. So Simeon says, your course is the best in the market. Simeon, great. Thank you very much. I hope we see each other in the DowHow community. Okay, guys, that was my part. Thanks for listening again. I hope we see each other tomorrow on Thursday. Oh my gosh, time is flying by so quick. Jesus Christ. I wish you a wonderful day. This is Marcus from DowHow Trading. Grab the course now below the video on YouTube, and I hope we see each other there. Otherwise, have a beautiful day, have courage, and be kind. And may the force of the logic be with you. See you tomorrow.